Welcome to this 10-minute standing Pilates workout with me, your host, Mandee, here on Sunny's YouTube fitness channel. So don't you forget to hit like, subscribe, and maybe you just tap that little notification bell so you can find out all the good things that are happening here on the old channel. We'll see you soon. You don't even need a mat. All you need is you. Check it out. Welcome back, Mandee. 10-minute Pilates, totally standing. So if you are working on balance, this workout is for you. If you're working on more awareness regarding your core, this workout is for you. So let's get started. Bring your feet so that your heels are together, your toes are separated. First position, I'm gonna tuck my tailbone underneath me, draw my rib cage in, take my arms down at my sides, and close my eyes. Start to tap into some deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. One more time. In through the nose, keep the eyes closed, and let the air out. Feel the stack of everything in your body. Start to charge the belly up, open your eyes. Releve balance with arms, I reach up, and exhale, release. Two more, inhale, and exhale. Last one to inhale. Last one to exhale. I want you to meet me at the top, hold the arms overhead, and I'm gonna turn my head over to the right. Whoa! And over to the left. Let's do that one more time. Over to the right. This requires some stability. If you're on a sticky mat and you feel like you're not quite balancing, go to the hardwood floor. That'll be easier. Release. Let's go for some footwork. Lift your toes, lift your heels. Lift your toes, lift your heels. Last one. Lift your toes, lift your heels. And now we're gonna move into some full dynamic roll downs. So in this instance, I'm going to parallel my feet. My feet are about hip width apart, about the distance of a fist between each of your big toes. Take the arms overhead, big inhale, tuck the chin back, and roll down the body. Take an inhale at the base, knees are soft, maybe shake the head right and left, and exhale, roll your way back up. Two more times. Inhale up, exhale, round and dive forward. Hold at the bottom, tuck your chin, nod your head, and exhale, roll your way back up. Last one, inhale up, exhale, dive forward, inhale, pause at the base, and exhale, roll your way back up. Let's take a big shoulder roll here, and we're gonna take a standing extension. So from the side, I think it's really important to see that I'm not letting my ribs expand. I'm gonna find my extension, squeeze my seat, send my hips forward, bring my arms back down to my sides. Two more times. Inhale, lift and open, squeeze the glutes, exhale, return. Last time. So we're getting that extension of the spine without letting the shoulders elevate, and return. Okay, turning back to face you. Actually, I lied. Let's stay facing sideways. Bend your knees a little bit. So I've got a nice little break at the hips. I'm gonna start to hinge my upper body forward, reach the left arm forward, reach the right arm back in space. This is called Pilates boxing. Let's bring our hands into fists, and then we're gonna make a switch and make a switch. So what I'm doing right now is I'm bending my elbows. One palm faces up, that's the palm in the back, and then one palm faces down, that's the palm in the front. Now, if I wanted to make this a little bit more intense, I could straighten the arms and start to swing from the shoulder head. Just be careful you're not letting your spine round. I'm looking at my toes. Last one, both sides. So I go forward, and then I go backward. And then I bring my arms back here, and I roll myself up to stand. Bring the feet, again, hip width apart, clasp the hands, reach the arms over the head, pull the navel in, and we're gonna start to find the sidelines of the body. Notice that the arms stay straight here, exhale to the center, and move to the other side. So it's like you're a little fly, and you're caught between two panes of glass. I'm just moving from right to left. Stay firm in the feet even. Notice the knees. We don't want to lock them out. Let's go one more time per side. Nice little bound side bend here. Exhale through the center, other side. And exhale through the center. Release the bind, going for a standing twist. Again, my hips are gonna stay fixed and forward towards you, and just my torso is gonna twist over to the side, pulse, and return. This one's tough because I don't have the floor to keep my hips from twisting with my shoulders. Imagine them doing two different things. Twist and return, twist and return. Step your feet a little bit wider, I would say shoulder width apart. We're gonna go for saw standing. So I'm gonna twist over to one side, round my spine, reach for my pinky toe. My knees are soft, roll my way back up, return through the center, just take a shoulder roll, twist over to the other side, start to round down, reach for that pinky toe with the pinky finger, roll my way back up, take the shoulder roll 2 more times, twist, round, and reach. So it's almost like we're putting together some of these movements. It's not almost, it's like totally really happening right now in real time. And I'm rolling down. Notice if you're really trying to crank the neck, try to keep the neck in alignment with the rest of the spine. Go for that last twist per side, keeping the hips level. Roll your way up. I might also mention, if you don't touch the floor, that is absolutely okay. So some of us have that range of motion and some of us don't, and that's great. That's what makes you you. All right, so stay standing, find balance on one foot. We're finally getting to this single leg work. There's a single leg kick 3 times into an extension. So we're gonna reach the arms forward and I'm gonna start to bend. I'm gonna turn a little bit on an angle here. I'm gonna bend my heel into my seat for 3, 2, 1. And then I kick that leg straight back. Good, stay on this leg. Kick it, flex the foot, 3, 2, 1, and exhale, extend. Notice how my torso's not moving forward. That's what we want. 3, 2, 1, exhale, extend. I'm really engaging the whole back body. Let's go again for 4. 3, 2, 1, and extend. Beautiful. Going right onto the second side. So I think it'd behoove us to see this on a little bit of a profile. So really spread the toes out here. Find that balance. Knee is soft. Focal point at something that's hopefully not moving for you. And I'm gonna bend that knee. Flamingo legs, squeeze and hug everything in. I kick 3, 2, 1, and then I point to extend. Bring it back in, flex. 3, 2, 1, and exhale to point. We're halfway there. Bring it in. 3, 2, 1, woo! And extend. Sound effect is of course optional. Last one, flex. 3, 2, 1, and extend. Good, bring it back in. We're going for some plie squats. So now our feet are nice and wide apart. Toes are turned out, also known as wide second. As the arms reach overhead, I sink the hips between the heels and return. Let's do 8 and return. Good, 7. Yes, we are lunging today. After these squats, exhale, squeeze everything together. Inhale, exhale it out. Last 3 and return to rise. 2 more. You're sitting up nice and tall, so not letting your torso fold forward. Last 1 here. And return. Okay, I'm gonna heel toe my feet in and bring the soles of the feet or the heels of the feet together. Toes are again turned out. Going for a breaststroke, bring the palms right in front of the heart. I'm gonna reach up and over and slide the arms back. Reach and pull. Good. 8 and pull. Squeeze your seat. 7 and pull. Good. 6. Roll those shoulders back and pull. 5. Option to releve balance. Lift off those heels for 4 and squeeze. 3. This requires a lot of stability. 2 more. Squeeze those legs together. Last 1 and squeeze. Woof. All right, let's go ahead and turn to the side. Feet about hip width apart. Bring the arms up into a goalpost position. I'm gonna step one foot back into that deep lunge. I close the arms, I open the arms, and I return. Switch your sides, lunge it back, close, open, and return. Upper body stays perpendicular. I'm bending into that back knee, 90-degree angle. Squeeze the seat at the top. Good, one more lunge per leg. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Coming back to the first leg. Find balance. Make sure your feet are on train tracks, not a beam. And then from here, take your hands to your hips, bend your back knee. I'm gonna tuck my pelvis in and release. Tuck, release. Last one. Tuck, release. Repeat on the opposite side. Again, check in on the feet, eyes forward, hands on hips. I tuck my pelvis, I release. I tuck my pelvis and I release. Last one. Tuck and release. Step to the top of your mat. I'm going to turn to face you. Bring your feet hip width apart. Take your arms at your sides. Roll your shoulders back. Close your eyes. Do a body scan. At the top of the workout, we had a little intro, a little bit of fun. Just notice what's going on with your body right now from head to toe. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Thank you so much. Open your eyes. Join me again. I hope to see you again on the mat, off the mat, maybe in a different modality. This is YouTube, so don't forget, click the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Get the notification bell, right? All right, I will see you very soon. Peace.